That's how I feel about this box. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Boring Susan, and we're going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Supreme Mystery Box. Oh my gosh, so exciting. Love that so much. Can barely fit it in frame. Let's get into it. Now, this is the most expensive box, retailing for $175. It has 10 items, and I'm super excited. So let's just start. Let's see what's in here. I opened it up just a little bit. Do you want to see the top? Do you want to just like peek in? Ooh, I see some pink. I see some pink. Also, my backdrop, it's a satin backdrop, but it like kind of looks cool wrinkly, so I kept it. Drama? Is that drama? Who knows? Okay, let's start with the piece of clothing that's in every box. Let's open her up. Ooh, I love this color. Matches the aesthetic. I'm here for it. Okay. Ooh, so we got a cute, really soft hoodie. I love the pink. Oh my gosh, I saw people got a couple different colors, which is a Jeffree Star on it. It has Jeffree Star on the sleeve and like a really pretty mint green, or not mint green, but like just like a chartreuse green. So I love that. I love that contrast. Oh my gosh, next we have the marble travel bag. This is beautiful. I have one of these in the like neon pink, but I love them so much. I'm so excited to have another one. They're really great for travel, and if you're just trying to keep things organized, that kind of stuff. I love it. Looks like it has some like gunmetal details. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. That's such a good piece to put in the mystery box, in my opinion. Okay. Next we have, oh my gosh, there's some really iconic stuff in here. Oh my gosh. We have a Skin Frost. Mine is in the shade Peach Goddess. I've seen people get a range of shades in these. Skin Frosts have been a classic, his first original highlighter that he's had, so I may or may not already own this. I have to check my stash because I'm not quite sure. But it's a really beautiful, like, peachy golden shade. It's really beautiful. It's also really nice paired with Ice Cold, so that's, like, one of my favorite duos, so I think I do own this, but we'll have to see. Gorgeous. Love. Obsessed. Next up we have, which I'm so excited about this when I saw it, the translucent powder. This is awesome. I've never tried this, so I'm really excited. I think this is also one of those like product placement products that I talked about in my prediction video, so really exciting to see this in here. Next up we have, oh, this is cute. I know this is one of the exclusives. Let's get her unwrapped. Now, by the time that I got my box, this will not be hanging on my Christmas tree, but next year, girl, and it's a little Christmas ornament. So pretty. Also, you can just do it like a mini eye look. Hi, how are you? Just a little moment. So super fun. I love that he brought these out. These are kind of cute. Kind of cute. They are cute. Ooh. Next up, I'm sorry, I'm like so overwhelmed with all this. Like, there's just so many good stuff. Next we have a lip scrub. This is in the Blue Raspberry Sucker. Amazing. We love a good blue moment, as my hair is blue. We love that. But super nice. I love his lip scrubs. They're really great. So excited to see that. Let's continue on. We have a gloss. Ooh. And this is from the Orgy collection. This is in the shade Body Count. Ooh, this is gorgeous. It's a beautiful, creamy, like neutral, like cool tone neutral with a hint of gold shimmer. As I said that 10 different times, but I was just trying, like, the more I was looking at it, I was like, oh, it has a light sheen, so I wonder, that'll be really pretty. I would just wonder how it'll look on the lips, but it's really beautiful. I love nudie shades, and I feel like in collections like this, you can't go wrong. Okay. I am like, my favorite. Okay, we're just going for this one because I'm so excited. The Cremated Palette. I'm so excited to have this. Oh my gosh. Let's open it up. Woo! The Cremated. Oh my gosh. This is so iconic. I'm so excited. I honestly have been looking forward to this. I saw some spoilers and I was really hoping that I would get this in my box. Because I think most of the people got this in their box. If you did, let me know. If you didn't, also let me know. I'm curious. But here's the Cremated. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm ready. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not. I love this color story. Oh my gosh. It's just so smoky and pretty. Oh my gosh. I love that he did like the dark and then like the neutral. Oh, this is stunning. I knew it was stunning. I knew I wanted to get this. So I'm so excited that it came in this box because I would have bought this otherwise. So I was glad it came in here so I didn't have to buy it after I already bought this box. So yay, that's so exciting. Oh my gosh, I love. Oh my gosh. I think this box might be my favorite. I have to say it down. Oh, I have another one of the mini mirrors, which I think that's an accident. Drama. Hopefully somebody didn't get theirs. That's sad. Hopefully that's not the case and they just threw an extra one in. iconic, though, for me, but hopefully not for somebody, not iconic for somebody else. Next up, we have the liquid lip set in the red pinky tones. Let's open her up. Yes, so beautiful. I know there's a couple shades in here. I've been really wanting Prom Night, which I don't own, which I'm super excited about. Really beautiful tones. Watermelon Soda is a classic. Unicorn Blood, you know. If you know, you know. We have Wifey, which was from the Family Collection. Calabasas, super beautiful. So what a great selection of shades. I love that. This packaging too is like iconic. Oh my gosh, I have the green one from the Blood Money, and I can't, like, this is high quality packaging. Like, whoo, oh my gosh. Okay, lastly in this box, we have a mirror. Oh my gosh, let's see which one. Drama. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my gosh, it matches. So we have the marble star mirror, super amazing. Look, they're twins. Hi, Marble, how are you? We're living, we're dying, we're gagging, we're suffocating. That wouldn't be as fun. We're gagging. Let's just stick with that. Anyways, that was everything that I got in my Supreme box. We have that little extra little mini mirror, which I did see a couple other people had that too. So I'm hoping there's not a plethora of people who didn't get that, because that would be really sad. But that was the Supreme box. What'd you think? Did you get the same products? Did you get something different that I didn't get? Would love to know in the comments. Please let me know. I'd love to know that information. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see me open and unbox the other 3 boxes, I do have those on my channel, so check them out. I'm super excited. I will also be doing an update on my prediction video that I did and kind of see, hey, was any of that correct? Which I did get some things right in there, which I've even talked about. There are some things that hadn't been seen in the mystery boxes that I said, not that, you know, just me said, but, you know, a lot of people had put out there. So really excited to kind of react to that video after all of this. But thank you so much for watching. My outro's coming in 3, 2,